How to make the most of chatbots for thoughtful learning. Consider reverse engineering. Generative AI is a unique tool that helps us learn much better. We type prompts and it gives us great answers really fast. However, fast and great responses are not always the best for learning purposes. Fast and great answers need to be learned much slower to increase the chances of becoming the best for specific learning needs. This means that chatbot outputs benefit from the so-called reverse engineering, meaning it requires us to break down these automated outputs into chunks for further scrutiny. Also, such a healthy practice helps us more easily identify its parts, logic, and limitations. By incorporating these learning habits, we are in a better position to make the most out of what generative AI offers in tailoring our unique learning journeys.